Six. Who got a 6? Yeah, Turbo John. You got right lane, Turbo got left lane.
I got a race. Dang.
You know I put TJ, right?
That is not good.
You got right lane.
Really?
Yeah, really, right?
Is it? Can I tune y'all's?
Yours right here.
All right. Well, good luck. Be careful. We got Tyler and the boys again. Wait, I didn't even know y'all was here until I saw y'all. Y'all come creeping in late, didn't you? Yeah. There you go. All right. Good luck, guys. All right. So here we go. We're pushing up. Made a few changes. It done that little bit of wheelie. We did tighten down the front end. We ended up with 14 cars. So we got to race Tyler, who got us into the finals Friday night. Hopefully it works out. We stretched the ramp out a little bit too because it was pretty aggressive. It was not super aggressive, but fairly aggressive. So here we go. First round coming up a little in the daylight. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty car. I like the color. Nitrous car. That thing took off out of there. I thought Tyler was driving. I didn't even realize you were driving. Good, man. Bro, no disrespect on the chute. I felt it wiggle and my hands on the chute, and I was just like, it's the first, that's the instinct. I felt it, and I was like, oh. And then I was like, oh God, I'm at half track. Why did parachute open?
Yeah, I told him earlier. I said, look, Tyler got you Friday night. He gonna make up for it.
That thing, it took off. I mean, I'm just saying, I was a little bit late on the tree again. You treated me, and it was gone. I was like, oh God, and then it was going. It felt good. Damn. Good racing, sir. Yes, sir. Good save. Then it did the first time, but it kind of rattled the tires a little bit. It felt like in the car. I just put my hand on the parachute handle, and that way it's there and ready, and it can just go ahead and pop it if I need to. And I don't know, man. I got crossed up. I was fixing to pedal it, and at the same time I was fixing to pedal it, and for some reason it just tossed the chute. My hand. It was just the instinct. It felt like that's what I needed to do, and I felt it when it opened. It tugged me back, and I still had it in the floor, and I was like, oh, this ain't good. But we got to win, so that's good. I mean, those guys are some good guys down there. Their car is fast. It's a rocket. And, you know, they're still set up for the back of the track stuff. That's why they were saying they're going to have to put a little bit more jet in it for the front of the track stuff. But we got to win. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. We're pushing up for a second round. We got basically the same tune-up in it. We're going to adjust the shocks a little bit on the back, loosen them up just a tad to see if it'll get some of that bounce out. It's just right before the shift, and down track it's a little bouncy, and you know what happens is You know, the track has got a few bumps in it. It's not terrible, but combine that with my tight shock settings and the slicks, and it just makes it start bouncing and unloading. So we're going to loosen the compression up just a couple clicks and see what happens. All right, we're down to 8 cars.
We got a queen. All right, that's heavy, right? I got left lane.
I got right lane.
We got left lane, heavy got left.
Yeah, that how it was last year, remember? Number 2.
All right.
Good luck, man.
Yes, sir. Be careful. Guys, we got to race heavy. Last time we seen his car, it was maroon. Now it's all, I like that color.
That's on them new Fords. It's called Stone Gray.
That thing is pretty, son. Big nitrous car, 855 cubic inches. We got you. We got right lane.
I got the brake too, Rock.
Good luck, sir. Do it.
I got the brake too.
No, last time we raced, you stomped me. I remember that. It might have been about 3 or 4 years ago, but that is not a new car. That's the same car. Oh, that was you? It was just a different color. I like it. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. That win. Y'all saw the big fireball. That was not good. Either we're having a transmission issue or we did. The shifter, it didn't shift. So the shifter where my electric air powered shifter is, that thing was kind of moved back a little bit, so we had to bend it. And so I'm thinking it didn't shove it into high gear. It was a little bit low on fluid as well, so we put more fluid in it. So we are going to see. Yes, they're calling us now. Y'all ready? So we're ready, so we're buttoning it up. We're going back up there now. We got 4 cars left. Sweet. So they just called us back up there. My junk is, I'm having a hard time with these turnarounds. Car's still like 170, 60 degrees. Damn, I got to race David.
All right, you got right lane.
Right lane, I got left lane. Hey, look, at least it's still nitrous and turbo. Nitrous turbo. Yeah, I'll take it. Go ahead. I'll take an aluminum small block. I'm just saying, David's got a nice aluminum small block he was offering to put in my car. I need it. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, good luck. Be careful. All right, here we go, guys. This is the 4 cars. We got to race David Brinkley with the Patriot. Thing's awesome. Beautiful car. Very fast, small block. right, guys, we didn't get it on film, but our buddy Donald in the new car, Kent's dad, we're chatting all them boys. 28's going wild. He's in the right lane, and I think he got out of the groove a little bit. And when it got up here, it crossed up with him, slid, nosed it into the wall. He's out. He's okay. Our car run pretty good. It's tire shook, so I had to actually pedal it. And then David said his got all crazy. He just got his car together. It's hard to see that front end's beat up. He did a good job saving it from nosing it terrible. So just got a little bit of cleanup to do, and then we'll be in our finals. So even if we don't win it, we got to the finals. This has been a great weekend of racing. We got to the finals on Friday night in the no prep, back of the track, got beat, and now we're in the finals again. So that's a win, guys. A lot of people don't think so. A lot of people think that they have to win and win it all the time. Otherwise, it's not a win. And we just don't look at it that way. We're down here having fun. The more passes we can make, the more exciting it is. And so if you can get to the finals, it's freaking awesome. If you don't make it to the finals in your first round duck, then that's okay too. Because you tried, you're out here, you're having fun. Everybody gets faster the more they work on it. So we got this green turbo car. Antonio and those boys, this car has been around a long time, so this should be a very good race. So guaranteed one of the King small tires is going to be a turbo car.
There you go.
Turbo. All turbo final. All right, here we go. This is our finals. Turbo on turbo. Antonio, you driving? All right, guys, we just pushed up here. Crowd has kind of died out a little bit. It's getting a little late. Antonio and them boys, they're over there. So here we come. We're fixing a flip for lane choice.
It's yours.
Oh, you messed up? You broke?
It's got a miss to it.
Hey, as much time as you need. I mean, I'm good. Man, you sure?
Yeah.
Dang, that sucks. All right. Well, we'll catch it next time. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so he's broke. It's got a miss. I don't blame him. I mean, it's, I'm willing to give him all the time he wants. But it's got a miss, and, it's better safe than sorry. So we're gonna go make a lick real fast and try not to blow it up and see if it gets down personal best tonight. Let's go make a pass real fast.
Good job, baby.
That looked like a sketchy ride down there.
You know I want y'all. I want some help. Right here, let's give it a round of applause. In the house. All right, ladies out here.
We got the win, but like always, any money you make, this is a sport where you always spend. I just bought some new tires from NC Speed Lab. I got lots of parts they were down here selling today. So I got some 26-inch Mickey Thompsons. Those Hoosiers are about wore out. I appreciate y'all coming and helping today. They brought their new little toy out, so that was fun. We had a good time. That last pass, Got a little sketchy. It was pushing, but I mean, we're down here to make passes. So the more passes we make, the better. It just kind of moved over a little bit. It did not tire shake though, so we fixed the tire shake from the pass before when we raced David Brinkley. It tire shook pretty good. So we got that fixed, and but then down track it was kind of moving around a little bit, but it was the last pass of the night. All right, guys, well, we're out of here. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com, grab some t-shirts, merchandise. We do have a problem. We got a major header leak over here on this side somewhere, so that's what we're going to be doing this week, fixing an exhaust leak. Later, guys.